So in this video, I will show you step by step how to change caption style in CapCut. So first off, after you open the CapCut, now here is my caption. If I want to change the style of this caption, the first thing I could do, I will right click, I will just select all of the caption. After you select all the captions, now you go to this option, animation. After you go to the animation, then you go to caption. After you go to caption, so here you'll be able to see different style for your caption. So I'll scroll to down. For this video, I will choose this one.
Is one of the most
After I
well-known.
select this one, now here is the style, now here is the animation. So the next thing, I will just go to this text again. After I go to the text, then I will scroll to down and go to templates. So under the template, if you want, you can choose anyone among these templates as your style if you want. So for this one, I will choose this one. So after you choose this one, as you can see now, this is another style for my caption. So you can scroll to down, you choose different style among this template that CapCut gives you. So you can follow these two methods. Either you go to this template and choose the style you want to use, or you go to animation and then go to caption, you choose the style you want to use. So these are the best places to get the caption style for your CapCut. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.